fallen leaves and flowers.
Yes, fill the blanks, beta. We are doing multiple choice questions. Page number 33, multiple choice questions we are doing. So, right there, leaves. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay, now who will tell me second one? Their dash was guiding them about the forest. Their dash was guiding them about the forest. Yes, Nityank? Yes, Nityank? Nityank, unmute yourself. Their dash was guiding them about the forest. Nityank, you have to unmute yourself. Okay, Pavni. Unmute yourself, Pavni. Yes, Pavni. Their dash was guiding them about the forest. Pavni, your voice is not coming, beta. Maitri. Maitri.
Science teacher.
Science teacher. Yes, very good. Their science teacher was guiding them about the forest. All of you write the answer. All of you write the answer. Okay. Now third one. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast. Siddhi. Siddhi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
third one.
Third one. Anjali was a good dash and she walked very fast.
Students.
No,
Student.
she was a student, but she was a good sports person. Anjali was a good sports person and she walked very fast. What it is? Sports person. Okay, Siddhi?
Fast. Student.
Got
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
Siddhi? Okay, mute yourself. Next one, who will tell me next one? Fourth one, she looked around but found none of her dash near her. She looked around but found none of her dash near her. Sharvi, Sharvi,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the answer of this? She looked around but found none of her dash near her.
Classmates.
Very good. What it is the answer is? Classmates. Okay, mute yourself. Classmates. She looked around but found none of her classmates near her. All of you write the answer while I am telling you. Fifth one. She could hear only the rustle of leaves. Yes, Arav Agarwal. She could hear only the rustle of leaves and the dash of birds. Yes, Arav, what will be the answer of this?
Chirping.
Chirping. She could hear only the rustle of leaves and chirpings of birds. Okay, okay, mute yourself. Okay, children, the fifth one is chirping. Okay, now turn the page. Page number 34. We will do fill the blanks. Okay. You have to raise your hands, beta. Only few children are raising. Okay, fill the blanks. You have to select the words from that yellow box. The students of class 3rd B were going for a dash to a forest. The students of class 3rd B were going for a dash to a forest. Who will tell me this answer? Yes, Khushi Sharma. Khushi Sharma, unmute yourself. Khushi Sharma. Yes, Khushi. The students of class 3rd B were going for a dash to a forest. Yes, Khushi, what will be the answer? Khushi, your voice is not coming. Okay, Anokhi Gupta. Anokhi Gupta, unmute yourself. Anokhi Gupta. Yes, Anokhi. Anokhi. Okay, Gopil. Gopil.
Ma'am, nature walk.
Nature walk. Yes, the students of class 3rd B were going for a nature walk to a forest. All of you write it. Okay. All of you write the answer of this. Now, second one. Anjali was a dash of the first group. Anjali was a dash of the first group. Aditya. Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, student.
Yes, student. Anjali was a student of their first group. Mute yourself.
First.
Anjali was a student of their first group. Okay. Now third one. On her way, she saw many dash flowers and leaves. On her way, she saw many dash flowers and leaves. Yes, Shibom. Shibom, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
On her way, she saw many dash flowers and leaves. What will be the answer?
Amazing.
Amazing. Very good. On you are writing, Shivam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On her way, mute yourself. On her way, she saw many amazing flowers and leaves. Okay. Now fourth one. There were dash everywhere. There were dash everywhere. Beta, others are not raising the hands. Only few children are raising. Okay, Ayan, unmute yourself. There was dash everywhere. Yes,
Ma'am.
Ayan. Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am, repeat the
Yes.
question, please.
There was dash everywhere. There was dash everywhere.
There was dash everywhere.
Yes.
Ma'am, amazing.
No. Amazing we have done in third one. Wrong. Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Okay, Kratika Gupta. Kratika, unmute yourself, Kratika. Kratika, unmute yourself. Kratika, unmute yourself. Abhinav Shekhar.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, silence.
Silence. There was silence everywhere. Very good. There was silence everywhere. Okay. Okay, mute yourself. Abhinav, mute yourself. Now, next one. Fifth one. Anjali heaved a big sigh of dash. Anjali heaved a big sigh of dash. Who will tell me this answer? Okay. Devansh Gupta. Devansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Devansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
There, Anjali heaved a big sigh of dash. What will be? Only one answer is left, beta, in that.
मैम फील्ड मैम साइन
No.
बता सकते हैं
Huh? Huh?
मैम
Yes. Yes, yes. You can say the spelling.
RELIEF
Yes. RELIEF. It is RELIEF. It is called relief. What it is called? Relief. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Relief. Got it, Devansh?
relief
Yes. Are you writing the answers, Devansh?
yes ma'am
Okay. Mute yourself now. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. Now we will be doing the third exercise, that is true or false. Okay. Now third exercise. Children were told to touch and pluck flowers. Children were told to touch and pluck flowers. Who will tell me the answer of this? Beta, I want some different hands. Same children are raising their hands. Yes, Sakshi.
ma'am false
Why false? False. Then why false? Why it is false? False क्यों है?
मैम क्योंकि उन्होंने चिल्ड्रन से ये नहीं कहा था
क्या कहा था?
मैम इन्होंने कहा था कि टच नहीं करना किसी चीज
Yes.
को
Yes, very good. Because the teacher had asked the children not to touch or pluck the flowers. And that's why it is false. The children were, और यहाँ पर what is the question here? The children were told to touch and pluck flowers. That's why it is false. Very good, Sakshi. And Sakshi, please write your class and section. Okay?
ओके मैम
Okay, mute yourself. Next one. Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. I want different hands raised. Only those who have answered they are. Yes, I want some other hand raised. Anjali was shorter than other students group. Who will tell me this answer? Beta, I want some different hand. Aradhya Agarwal. Yes, Aradhya. Aradhya Agarwal.
यस मैम
Beta, what will be the answer of this? Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. Anjali was shorter. Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. Beta, so much voice is coming. Aditya Bansal.
यस मैम
Yes, Aditya. What will be the answer of this? Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. Whether it is true or false.
मैम ट्रू
Why true? No, it is wrong. It is false. Anjali was not shorter. She was taller in her group than other students in her group. Okay. What she was taller. Okay. So it is false. Okay, Aditya. Now third one. Anjali got separated from other students of the group. Anjali got separated from the other students of the group. Okay, some others. Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh.
ट्रू
True. Why true?
मैम क्योंकि वो अपने ग्रुप में से बिछड़ गई थी अलग हो गई थी
Yes, because Anjali got separated from her group and that's why it is true. Okay,
False.
mute yourself, Utkarsh. Okay, who will tell me the answer of next one? Anjali called out the names of other students but no one came. No answer came. Anjali called out the names of other students, but no answer came. Yes, Maitri.
मैम टू
True. Why? Anjali called the, yes, very good. Anjali called the names of other students, but no answer came. Okay, mute yourself, Maitri. Okay, next one. Fifth one. I promise I would try always to act smart. Yes, Pavni, unmute yourself. I promise I would try to act smart. Yes, Avni. I promise I would try always to act smart. Pavni, your voice is only not coming, beta. Yes. Okay. Ayan, unmute yourself.
मैम ट्रू
True. Why true? Why true? I all promise. Huh? Yes.
यस हेलो मैम
हाँ बोलो बोलो. Yes.
क्योंकि मैम अंजलि ने अपने टीचर से बोला था मैम आई प्रॉमिस आई वुड ट्राई ऑलवेज टू एक्ट स्मार्ट
No, it is wrong. It is wrong. It is false. She promised to teacher that she will not act too smart. वो smartness नहीं दिखाएगी. Because of smartness only she was lost, ना? She was lost. Why? Because so it is false. Why it is false? Because she act smart. So she promised her teacher that I would try act smart क्योंकि वो smart नहीं करना था. So what it will be? So it is false. Okay?
ओके मैम
हाँ, because smartness से ही वो गलत हो गया था. Because of smartness only she was lost in the forest. Okay? Now with this we have done the true or false, students. Now we will be starting with match the following. Okay? We'll do the match the following. Okay, who will tell me the match the following of fallen? Fallen. Match the following of fallen. Match the following of fallen. Okay, yes, Gopil. Unmute yourself, Gopil.
मैम फ्लावर्स
No, not flowers. Fallen, not flowers. Wrong. Siddhi. Siddhi. Fallen. Siddhi, what it will be? Fallen what?
मैम मैम लीव्स
Yes, leaves. Fallen leaves. It will be fallen leaves. Yes, correct. Now second one, science. Science. Yes, Devansh. Science.
मैम टीचर
Science teacher. Yes, very good. Science teacher. All of you write the number in front of teacher. Second one is, first one is leaves. Second one is teacher. Okay. Now third one. Amazing. Mute yourself, Devansh. Amazing. Aditya. Aditya. Amazing.
मैम मैम फ्लावर
Yes, flowers. Amazing flowers. What it is? Amazing
मैम
flowers. Very
Ma'am.
good. Mute yourself. Okay, now dead. Who will tell me of dead? Dead what? Beta, others also try. Aradhya Agarwal. Yes, Aradhya Agarwal.
यस मैम
Dead what?
मैम क्या
Dead. Column fourth one. Dead. Beta, you are not understanding what I'm asking. Okay, Sakshi. Sakshi, unmute yourself.
मैम डैड का साइलेंस.
Dead silence. Dead silence. What it is? Dead silence. Okay, mute yourself, Sakshi. Okay, next one. Big. Big. Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh.
King of Liprak.
Yes. Sign of relief. Fifth one is sign of relief. Got it, all of you? Yes, Utkarsh, mute yourself. Now I will just tell you all the answers we have done with this. Tomorrow we will be doing the question answers, the small and big question answers, and tomorrow I will be taking your worksheet test of this chapter. Okay, so you all of you have to study of this chapter. Tomorrow I will take the worksheet test of this chapter. Okay, children? Now I will just tell you all the answers. Just check it out. All the answers, whether you have written it correctly or not. First one, or I'm showing you the screen. Okay, just see the screen. I'm showing you the screen. Just see the screen. The children are going to collect fallen leaves. Check the answers. Second one, their science teacher was guiding them about the forest. Their science teacher was guiding them about the forest. Third one, Anjali was a good sports person as she walked very fast. Anjali was a sports person as she walked very fast. She looked around. She looked around but found none of her classmates near her. She looked around but found none of her classmates near her. Fifth one, she could hear only the rustle of leaves and the birds and the chirping of birds. She could hear only the rustle of leaves and the chirping of birds. Now turn the page. Okay. Now next one. Now next one. The students of class 3rd B were going for a nature walk to a forest. The students of class 3rd B were going for a nature walk to a forest. Second one, Anjali was a student of first group. Anjali was a student of first group. Anjali was the student of first group. On her way, she saw many amazing flowers and leaves. Third one, on her way, she saw many amazing flowers and leaves. Fourth one, there was silence everywhere. There was silence everywhere. Fifth one, Anjali heaved a big sigh of relief. Anjali heaved a big sigh of relief. Got it? Now, in the true or false? The children were told to touch and pluck flowers. False. The children were told to touch and pluck flowers. False. Anjali was shorter than the other students in her group. Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. Third one, Anjali got separated. False. Second one is false. Anjali was shorter than other students in her group. False. Anjali got separated from her students of the group. True. Anjali was separated from her other students of the group. True. Now fourth one, Anjali called the names of other students, but no answer came. Anjali called out the names of other students, but no answer came. True. Fifth one, I promise I would try always to act smart. False. I promise I would try always to act smart. Okay. Now matching. Matching fallen leaves. What it is? Fallen leaves. Second one is science teacher. Science teacher. Beta, I have written one in front of other one also one so that you should not get confused. And in science teacher. Then third one, amazing flowers. Amazing flowers. Fourth one, dead silence. Dead silence. Fifth one, big sign of relief. Big sigh of relief. So all of you have understood the matching. It is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Got it, all of you? Now all of, if you are having any problem, just let me know. Tomorrow we will be doing the worksheet of this chapter. Okay. Okay, children, tomorrow we will be doing the worksheet. I will be asking in between questions of this answers of this chapter. So be prepared. And now if you are starting this chapter, just let me know. Yes, Gopal. Unmute yourself, Gopal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are having any problem? You have raised your hand. Those who have raised your hand, only those who are having problem.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Gopal.
reflection का मतलब क्या होता है?
What?
Reflection का मतलब?
I am not understanding your word. Which word, beta?
Ma'am, reflection.
Reflection मतलब उसका reflect पढ़ना, उसका वो पढ़ना. Reflection word is not there, beta. Beta, some other word it must be. What is reflection? Reflection word तो आया ही नहीं. और reflection वैसे what do you mean by reflection is that उसकी परछाई जो होती है.
Spelling बोलूं?
Yes, हाँ, say the spelling.
Ma'am, RELIEF.
That is relief. Relief मतलब that is not reflection, that is relief. Relief मतलब suppose you are alone in the school and all the children have gone, so you are left alone. So after full school is empty, and now when your father comes, then you get a full relief ना कि ना अच्छा चलो मेरे पापा आ गए. Relief मिलना. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now mute yourself, Gopal. Okay, Pari. Pari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pari, you have raised your hand. Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. You should say the 5 chapter poem of ma'am. उसमें 8 line ही तो करनी है ना?
Yes, 8 lines only.
Ma'am, I should done it.
Okay, you have done the picture?
Ma'am, picture I should not done, but I should write that poem line.
Okay. Okay, beta. Tomorrow I will be taking the revision test of this chapter, worksheet test. So be prepared with this, children. Okay. Okay. Anokhi Gupta.
Anokhi. Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने 6 चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर तो कराए नहीं.
Beta, I said that I will give you tomorrow, na? Time हो गया इसलिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, time is done, and tomorrow I will be taking your that, na? Then at that time I will show you the question. But tomorrow I will be showing you the question plus worksheet also. in between
Okay,
questions. Okay, Anoki?
ma'am.
Okay, okay, children. So we have done with this chapter. So prepare the chapter. Tomorrow I will be taking in between worksheet test of this chapter. Which chapter? Obey your elders. Okay. I am ending the class. Bye everyone.